Hey friends, if you encounter the error with Windows 11 where it says default gateway is not available, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset network. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, and then you can scroll down and select advanced network settings. Select network reset, click on reset now and click on yes. The next solution is the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, go to the system tab, scroll down to troubleshoot and click on it. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And the last solution is to update the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters, right click on it and select update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.